Pakistan. As I promised, I'm gonna be soon in Pakistan. I'm really excited for this. See you very soon.
I'm really excited to try, biryani.
So, Cengizcoşkun has just had biryani for the first time in his life. Karachi biryani.
Yeah.
How was it?
It's really nice, but makes me a little bit hot. I'm sweating now, but really delicious.
Amazing! You're really amazing! I really want to have you all, but unfortunately impossible. But I can do like this. I really feel your love. Thank you for your love. Thank you for this connection. And big love from me to you.
What you can want to say about this fragrance, strong fragrance?
Because if you are not keep your everything, not also just physically, if you are not giving your performance and energy from your heart, because if you are feeling it here, especially me, also him, for sure, I know him. That's why I think become very famous and successful all around the world. But it's not means I will not play with jeans and the shirts in another project. From long time we want to come Pakistan because of the situation, the COVID situation. We couldn't come up. Finally we came, and I'm so happy to be here. And I'm really grateful your precious love. Thank you very much.
Is it spicy, fresh, or actually?
Hello everyone, welcome first of all. I'm really happy to be here. So from long time we are making plan because we couldn't came because of this COVID situation like everywhere. Finally we are here, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm so happy to be here, and thank you for everything, for everybody to come here. And the Pakistani people, they love so much us, and they are giving so much love to us, and I'm really appreciate that, and I'm really grateful that we're gonna do today with Mr. Suhail J. We did, I think, really good cooperation for this. Also, I'm really happy for that, and thank you for your invitation, and I'm really excited to try biryani. And Karachi one I think is the best, right?
We've got it.
Okay, thank you.
So, which camera should I look at? There are many. Hello to everyone. So, this is a great moment. Exactly. I'm a spiritual guy. So, I love to live the moment, and this is a great moment. Nice to be here. A politician, a businessman, an artist. It's a big combination. But the fourth one is the most important, the audience. And Cengiz and me, we used to be a part of a great serial. We act by heart and connect with the audience. So all these organizations and these products are a vehicle to connect again, and by heart also. So I'm very happy now. Thank you for your love.
Thank you.
And may I have my swords, please? Because black tea made me something also. I want to show some. I understand in the right way. For charity, he said? I've never been invited about that organization. And never came like that. And if so, I would be here by heart.
Thank you.
This is not a big question.
हाँ इसका रेड लाइन ठीक है पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है कुछ कान वान पे
नहीं सर एक गन
This one you eat from the horse. It's okay? It's okay.